Alright, in this video I'll show you how to remember the keystroke. So be it any application. So I'm taking an example of the piece of software I do use day-to-day basis. This is my browser, which is Vimb. So it has got the binding like Vimb editor because it's based on it. So I have bounded so many keys for my convenience, and I tend to forget which key represent what. I cannot randomly press keys on the keyboard. Most of my keys are bounded to something else. But to know about specific things, so I made it a small script which will give me a reminder what am I supposed to press to get access to a particular page on the web browser or particular site I wanted to visit, okay, with less typing and more convenient way. So for that I generally forget, right? So to bring up the memory back, so I have created a help function which will pop up on the screen and show me the keyword as well as the destination where I want to reach. For that I have bounded it to Control H. So if I press Control H, see the pop-up came, it says key bind. Left hand side 2 character is uh, the uh, 2 character quickly I have to press, which will lead me to that particular site, okay. And the right hand side the explanation where it go. Let me bring it up once more so you can have a look at it. See, WT wiki travel, BL bookmark list, GR good read, LW LWN, something like that. Say if I want to go to the load, the kernel archiving system, mailing system, I just have to press LO. See, it is taking me there to that. Just pressing LO quick succession, it will. Likewise, if I forget, oh, I need to go to somewhere else. So for example, if I go to wiki travel and I forgot which and I am reluctant to type open and the entire URL and all this stuff. So what I do, I just press Control H to bring up the, and I have a quick look. Oh, I found that key. I have to press WT quick time, right? If I press WT, so it will take me to wiki travel. Simple, right? So for that, two scripts play the role to bring up that pop-up and to sort it out the key like that way. Let me show you that. Wiki map help. This is the script which will bring up the pop-up what you saw, okay. So it basically, another script is there, keybind vmb, okay. Cat bin keybind. Sorry, I missed. Okay, so you can clearly see what it does. It simply grep through normal mapping. As I said, this browser is based on Vim, so you can do the key mapping like what you do in Vim, okay. Similar way I'm trying to grepping through this, then I opt to the specific fields. In this case, $2 and $4 are two different fields which I print, and then I take away all the punctuation related stuff like slash and all these things from there. Then again I took away some character from it, and then from the space. I know it's horrible, it could have been written much better way, but I couldn't figure it out, and I what I come up with, this is the best thing I could have done. That's what I did. But you people might find a much better way to accomplish this particular thing. Okay, so this is the way I accomplish the stuff. And then once this is done, then this file, if if the browser is up, it will check for the process. Then it will simply piping the output of this script here in a file called command.list, which resides in my home directory. Okay, which resides in my home directory. Then it will send me a pop-up like what you saw. So with the keybinds and the result of, and the content of this particular file. Okay, command list. See, it has got the uh, exact same representation what you saw in the prop. If you look at this portion, and if I go to my browser and press Control H, see, this is all identical stuff because it is reading from that file. So these are the small little thing which will help your day-to-day life much easier in terms of using technology. It's not necessarily you have to do something big booming stuff every single day. uh, Basically big booming stuff are building on small steps, one by one, and then stitched together become a big one. So for that's a bigger picture, but if you want to make your life easy with the technology, you should dominate the technology. Then the technology uh, started to started to become big on you. Rather, you dictate the term to technology what you want from out of it, rather than the technology dictate what you are supposed to do. Right? So you need to spend little time to get the best out of your day-to-day work. So you'll get more time for thinking, more time for doing some important stuff, like as I said, thinking or constructive way of doing something else. Okay, so I hope that's it. So I hope this will help you to give you some sort of insight. So doing something small and effective with go miles, it will help your productivity boost. Okay, thanks for watching.